I started my workout with the difficult one. I lift dumbbell on one hand and use the same leg and do squat, and other leg would be stretch. It will hit right in the contracted glute. I do each leg for 10 repetitions of 3 sets. Second exercise is for legs and shoulder. Lift the dumbbell at the maximum and while coming down do the squat. It will hit both shoulder and legs at the same time. I do 4 sets of 15 repetitions. You can increase according to your strength. This exercise is called splitting squat. As you can see, I skip one leg and put all my pressure and tension to the other leg. I hold the dumbbell in one hand and do this exercise. This exercise hit glutes and legs at the same time. For making it more hard, I put resistant band on my legs so it will more focus on the contracted muscles. This exercise is also a variation of squat. I hold a dumbbell in a hand and at the side I do squat. After doing 10 repetitions, I switch the dumbbell on another hand and repeat the exercise. I do 15 repetitions on each legs with 3 sets each. My child is helping me out in this exercise. Meanwhile, I put myself in reverse plank and do the dumbbell fly. It will hit both the upper part and lower part of the body. Meanwhile, it also stretch your glutes part. I do 3 sets of 15 repetitions. This exercise is more interesting exercise, as in this exercise we hit back, chest, glutes and legs at the same time. For making it more hard, try to lift heavy weight according to your strength. If you want to add more variations, so you can lift the dumbbell all the way up, so it will also hit your shoulder. I do 4 sets of 10 repetitions. This hip thrust exercise is amazing as it will directly hit your glutes. If you want a round glute with strong core, do this exercise more often, as this exercise is one of my favorite exercise. You can make more hard this exercise by adding more weight on you. I do 5 sets of 10 repetitions. After working UT, try to cool down yourself.